Hi everyone, here we've got POCO X3 and let me show you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all we have to open the camera app, and as you can see this device is taking photos right after touching the shutter button. In order to set the camera timer, simply tap on this 3 bars icon, and here on the second position we've got the timer option. Now it is off, but we can set it for 3 seconds, 5 seconds or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds, simply tap on it, let's get back to the camera and touch the shutter button. And as you can see, now this device is counting down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, now let's check another option, 3 bars icon, here we've got the timer, let's pick for example 3 seconds. Shutter button, and the same situation, but now it is counting down from 3. To turn it off, just get back to the settings and click on this clock icon, and now it just got back to its previous state. So that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your POCO X3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.